yan, Dang? Kain? Nakaselfie din eh, no?
Tomato. Ano yan? Tomato?
Lobo.
Ay po. Walang ibang pinakita. Kain lang na. Charap naman yung
Ano yan, Dang?
kamatis.
Ano yan, ano yan, ano yan, ano yan? Kain mo na, kain na.
Matis yan?
Ano yan, Dang? Ano yan, Dang? Kamatis. Kakay ka nga, ah. Tingin ako.
O na, nakagat na dali. Dali ko kuhain ma.
Kilo. Hello, grabe. Sarap?
Ilaw.
Grabe, Mac, no? Pagin. Ano ba ba kuya?
La 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 la.
Ano yung kanti bidi?
La 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 la.
Eh di wow, labas pump diaper. Ah.
My name is Flint Lockwood. My whole life, I always wanted to be a great inventor. Just like my hero.
The scientifically wonderful world of science. With your host,
Ay, ano ko na yan? Scientist din yan?
You know, I have devoted my life to inventing the future. But every dream has a beginning. I still remember my first invention, a humble food bar. It was like Chester V was speaking directly to me, using the language of science. Now look at us. Our new food bar XL with flavor crystals. Still making people happy after all these years.
Pangit mo sa camera,
Will
Dang.
certainly never be me. But remember, there's no such thing as small science. Only small scientists. Oh, speaking of small scientists, say goodbye, Bob.
Ang palabas yan, Dang.
Ideas change the world. Yes. Just like Chester V, my dream was to make the world a better place.
Rayon shoe. Voila.
How you gonna get him off, nerd? Fortunately, a lot of people didn't believe in me. But I never gave up. And eventually, I invented this. A machine that could turn water into food.
Oh? Oh, yun so. Ay, yan yung makagawa siya ng maraming pagkain.
Dynamic food replicator. Or for short, the Flintstone. Because my invention's food weather, I finally
Wow,
made
wow.
the world a better place.
Diba? Galing pagkain. Tubig laging pagkain.
So I thought, whether evolved into a
Oh,
disaster,
pwede po pa. Ganyan nangyari.
started creating
Hala.
dangerous living food. I had to face the truth. It was time to put an end to my Flintstone.
Gusto nga lagi naulan ng pagkain. Ha? Gusto nga lagi naulan ng pagkain. Papay ka na, selfie ka na, selfie. Kagat ikaw muna, kagat. Kagat na ikaw. Tingin ako, tingin, tita. Kagat na ikaw, kagat na. Babay ka na, bye-bye. Uy. Uy, 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 uy.
Sam Sparks,
Diba,
in
Chewy?
the 8 minutes since we saved the world, I've had time to reflect. And I think you and I should have a place together.
A place?
A place where we work?
You think we work together? Awesome! Yes!
We could build a lab
With cool weather forecasting devices.
where we can invent fantastic machines like the Flintstones from on Earth.
Yeah! But not that one.
No,
Not ever.
never, ever, ever. What shall we call our lab?